Does it ever get better than this? Flying over a country where every city tells a story, where nature, history, and culture combine in breathtaking harmony. Join me as we take in Switzerland, a land of lakes, mountains, and serene cities. You are in for a remarkable drone journey as we explore magical locations around the country, each offering a unique look into the soul of this alpine paradise. We start in Geneva, the city of diplomacy, situated along Europe's largest lake. Our flight begins at the Brunswick Monument, a tribute to a duke whose legacy helped shape the city's identity. As we soar over Lake Geneva, we discover the Jadu, one of the tallest fountains in the world, originally created by accident as a pressure release valve. We fly over the Geneva skyline, checking out the difference between the old and the new side of the city. At the Parc des Bastions, a former botanical garden that is now a public park, you can find the Reformation Wall, a monument that commemorates the leaders and events of the Protestant Reformation. From Geneva, we head to Zurich, the largest city in the country and the heartbeat of Swiss commerce and finance. As we rise above Lake Zurich, we can see layers of the city, the modern along the waterfront, and centuries of history nestled in the old town. Our drone moves towards Lindenhof Hill, a popular park with sweeping views of the city. On the other side of the Limmat River, we discover Hallstatt, a maze of narrow alleys, colorful guild houses, and the iconic Grossmünster Church, which legend says was founded by Charlemagne himself. Zurich is more than a financial hub. It's filled with culture and scenery. And yes, it does give the vibes of being an expensive city. Next up is Lausanne, the Olympic capital of the world. It has its unique charms, and as we lift off from around the Lausanne Cathedral, we witness a whole new world. The cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece, has stood watch over the city since the 13th century. As we drift outward, we see Lake Geneva in the distance and beyond the majestic Alps. The Lavaux vineyards stretch along the slopes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where wine has been cultivated for over 800 years. Lausanne is a city of artists and dreamers, and from above, it's a delight to behold. Feel the rush and the beauty of Europe's biggest waterfall at the mighty Rhine Falls. Near the town of Schaffhausen, the river explodes into a roaring cascade, a powerful reminder of nature's greatness. At over 150 meters wide and 23 meters high, the Rhine Falls is Europe's largest waterfall by volume. From above, the pristine nature of the waterfall is unbelievable and a testament to the beauty in nature's beast. From lakes to waterfalls, from medieval rooftops to modern sites, Switzerland has it all. And seeing them all from the sky is a sight to last a lifetime. So that's it for the drone video of sensational Switzerland. For a version 2 of this video, which other Swiss cities should I include? Do let me know in the comment section. After this amazing drone video of Switzerland, please subscribe if you want to see more videos of exciting locations around the world. Indeed, you should check out this drone video of Rhodes, the ancient Greek island that Helios called his own. Click here to watch it now.